Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make an account on Temu. Search for Temu on the browser and open the Temu website on your PC. Click on Sign In or Register, shown at the top of the website. You can sign in by Google, Apple, or Facebook account. I have chosen a Google account to sign in to your account. Here, you can see that your account has been made on Temu. Click on your profile to visit your profile. You will be able to see all your orders and different options. It will also give you the option to do security verification. You have to fulfill the demand for the given picture. You can make more than one account by clicking on your profile and choosing the Switch Account option. Now hit the Add Account button. Here, you can see the email or phone number option along with Google, Apple, and Facebook options. For registering yourself by email, simply add your email address in the given box. After that, add your password by making sure to use a strong password. In the end, you have to click on the Register button to register your account on Temu. You can view your profile and also do the security verification for the security of your account. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.